Haya turi thiko ya 15 mweri wa gatano mwaka wa 2024 na gitio kinene njetekire ngoro gikunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV gikujure ni gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi gakihoka ati thiko yaku no irathi na mbere kwagirira ni ndagioka niguo ngumenyithia ure bururi wa gitindo kigariura ngurehera ripoti kuma county itiganete guku bururi wa Kenya ginyagia ripoti kuma ja wa itoka cia bururi tuikorokio guginya ripoti cia mathako ni maingi maria andiki aito a mohoro magituhaririirie na brenda ya tobeto mukire matemo ma mohoro. Mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie ni ati namba ya andu matoekaine guthii na mbere gwethwo thutha wa ituika ria tiri Kimende County ya Kiambu. Arutwo kuma cukuru wa Muthingi wa Kongo Kiambu kwaga kuhingura thukuru thutha wa miaraho ya mbura kwaraha thukuru-ini. Cira wa Waitaliano eri magithitangirwo ngukumio ya milioni 62 utanyo guthikiririo tariki 22 mweri wa Mei mwaka uyu turi. Na riu ihoru kugumira cukuru wa airetu wa St Joseph na Mulungu guku ni county ya Kakamega thutha wa arutwo a cukuru uyu kwaga kuroka. Haya na tugagiteka muno makiria ni we gwetikira gutwarana na ithweririkana ati gikujuro giki gitu turakimemerekia emwe kwa imwe nendini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria wathi kuria muno wa Facebook ugutukora kwa @Muthingi TV waikoroka kuria muno wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV na ni igo ciothe jetikaga wairimu wa Kimani. Haya na tukiambiriria na ripoti itu ya mbere ni ya ripoti yake ya kuona ati andu matoekaine na baya andu matoekaine ni makorirwo magite mio yao muthenya wa umuthi thutha wa ituika gukorwo rikihanika mwena wa Kimende larigo kuni county ya Kiambu. Ino ni ndumiriri rikite gukorwo ikirekererio ni ruhonge rwa Mutharafa Mutune na baya andu aya matoekaine ni rerikana gukorwo kwamete kuria ruhonge ruru rurikitie gwikinya kuo kuria maragithie na mbere kunyitanira na aikari a mwena ucio. Ni ripoti ira iragituhingurira gikojo itu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi.
Hapo jana usiku masaa ya saa 2 watu wakienda nyumbani, kuna my nephew alikuwa anapitia hapa na mmoja wa hao watatu ama waine tuna expect wamelaliwa hapa na mchanga. So ndio tumekuja kutoka asubuhi from 6 tumekuwa hapa, tumekuja kuangalia ni aje, lakini serikali saa ingia, tumeona matinga isaa ingia, sasa tuangalie ni aje kama tunaweza waokoa.
Kufikia hivi sasa watu watatu ndio hawakufika nyumbani, wakitafutwa kwa simu pia hawapatikani. Kwa hivyo kuna hofu kwamba hawa watu wamezikwa katika hayo maporomoko, na vile tumefika hivi asubuhi ni coordination sasa ya serikali ya disaster management ndio wakuje tuweze kutoa maporomoko hayo na tuone kama tunaweza kupata miili ya watu ambao hawakuweza kufika nyumbani. Kama tuna contractor ambaye alikuwa anajenga barabara hii na excavators na lori zake ndio zinafika kwa sasa. Pia tuko na serikali ya county pia wanaleta excavators pia na malori yao, ndio wakati tunatoa huo mchanga uweze kuondolewa na kuanza kupelekwa mahali pengine. Utaratibu ulioko ni kwamba kwa sababu maporomoko yalikuwa yameendelea kutoka karibu wiki mzima, kuna mahali watu walikuwa wanapita na njia ilikuwa ni kidogo. Kwa hivyo kuna mahali tunaweza kusema hapa ndio watu walikuwa wanapita kama kuna watu ambao wamekufa wako katika area hiyo. Kuna mpango imefanywa tayari na county commander wa polisi wakuja na sniper dogs ndio ziweze kutusaidia kuweza kujua kabisa ni wapi ambapo kunaweza kuwa kuna watu ambao wamezikwa pale.
Sasa tumetuma mashini hapa nyingi, tuko na excavator, tuko na malori, tuko na zingine tunaongeza, ndio tunaanza. Vile nimesema hapa ile mchanga imeteremka na kulalia barabara ni karibu eka 2. Kwa hivyo ni kazi mingi.
Haya riu MCA wa kunia kiriketie kugate ginyagia riu andu atatu nio makoretwo magite mio yao guku ripoti ira igokoro ikigira ntugukorwo tukikumenyithia ona ciarikia kwihanda mathama ma hwaini. Hatugithie na mbere ni ati akiaria arethingira-ini wa iregi mutongoria wa bururi Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto nacemanitie na atongoria kuma bodi ya KTDA kwariria maundu matiganitie megie ukuria na ukuria wa macani gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya. William Ruto nĩ augĩte nĩ magũkorwo magĩteithĩrĩria arĩmi harĩ kũmathondekera thoko njega nĩguo makorwo makĩgunĩka na ũrĩmi wao.
In total payment.
Mimi nataka nipongeze KTDA because beyond us subsidizing production, you also went out of your way to get the best prices in the market. That is very commendable because I follow. Yeah, I follow. And I'm keen about how much ultimately fertilizer. I remember I talked to some of the people in your organization and I kept on encouraging them that we shouldn't pay a shilling extra than the lowest price. Mwezi huu wa sita, we will organize the first tranche of the money on the subsidy program. Alafu tukimaliza budget, hawa waheshimiwa waki-approve budget, we will pay the difference. That way, we can account for public resources, but we can also support KTDA to support farmers. We need a strategy on how to package, first even to grow, to manufacture, to package, to sell, to brand our tea so that we get the right value. We are the third largest producer of tea in the world. And yet, there is no Kenyan tea brand. It is unforgivable.
Our factories.
Nayo kanjo ya makanitha gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩyo NCCK nĩyonanĩtie guoya wa ũhotekeku wa kũhutio kwa watho wa kĩgĩna bunge-inĩ na gũcũngĩrĩria Akenya arĩa maritũhĩirwo nĩ magoti maya gũkorwo makĩritũhĩrwo makĩria. Kĩaria mũcemano-inĩ wa 14 wa Regional Conference ũrĩa ũhanĩkire kaunti-inĩ ya Gĩthumo, Reverend John Mark nĩonanirie gũtangĩka kwao akiuga atĩ Akenya marĩ thĩna-inĩ mũnene wa ungumania, wagi wa kĩhotoro hamwe na kwaga kũiganĩra nĩ maũndũ marĩa maragĩthiĩ na mbere ya watho.
The finance bill that is coming up for debate and hopefully as known in Kenya, they may find their way with it. But we as a church do take note of the fact that we have a very insensitive government. That even after going through difficult times in 2023, when promises were made that things may get better in the future, Kenyans did struggle through the year, and even as we began this year, there was some hope. And here comes a bill that kind of dims that hope. We want to tell the government that they are being insensitive to the cry of the Kenyan that is adversely affected by this bill. When we have a wasteful government, and whenever they even talk about cutting down on expenditure in certain areas, they have not yet lived to that talk. So the alternative that I would propose to this government is to relook at their budget and do things in a way that does not overburden Kenyans. The greatest tragedy of our nation is that justice, professionalism, equity, and equality before the law has been sacrificed at the altar of corruption. Political power is continuously being used for selfish enrichment at the expense of the citizens who are trapped in downward spiral of impoverishment. We, after reflection, do recommend that the government plans and budgets be primarily focused on production and value addition, not just on expenditure for purchase of goods and services. This regional conference have noted with a lot of concern that policies being put in place by Parliament and county governments are killing dignified livelihoods among our citizens. The Finance Act passed by parliaments in the last 5 years, as well as the county finance appropriation bills, have systematically muzzled business and investments by raising taxes to unmanageable levels. This is killing the future lives of our people by hindering micro-level industrialization. To remedy this, we strongly recommend that the county governments provide favorable business environments by consolidating and rationalizing all fees, levies, and licenses required by different agencies and authorities.
Haya, nake Minister wa Ugitiri wa Thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki muthenya wa umuthi ni akinyetie kuria mwena wa Lamu na kuria korito akiruguria matharaita meru makuhurana na itoi. Kithure Kindiki ni kuria akiruguria makiria magari iria ingihurana na itoi, akiuga ati riu mihango ya kuhurana na itoi ni gukorwo igithie na mbere.
Wale wakora na wahalifu ambao ni sugu. Hii ni sehemu ya pili ya jambo hilo, na sio tu magari ya kutembea na kujistiri wakati wako katika hiyo kazi. Vile vile tumepokea silaha za kutosha, silaha za kisasa, zikiwemo zana za kukabiliana na adui, zikiwemo zana za kutumia wakati maafisa wetu wanakabiliana na magaidi katika operesheni ardhini, na vile vile tumeanza sasa kupokea zana za kusaidia katika kukabiliana na magaidi angani, ikiwemo magari ya angani yasiyoendeshwa na watu wowote, magari ambayo yanajipeleka yenyewe na mwenye kujaendesha hayuko karibu. Na hayo magari vile vile yako na mabomu ya kuweza kutekeleza ile kazi ambao imeamrishwa itekelezwe dhidi ya watu ambao ni hatari kwa usalama wa taifa letu la Kenya. Kwa hivyo ile sehemu ambazo magari haya na zana zingine ambazo nimetaja zitatumika ni katika eneo la kaskazini mwa taifa la Kenya, ambapo tumekuwa na tisho kwa zaidi ya karibu miaka 15 sasa, tatizo la ugaidi kwa sababu ya wanamgambo ambao wameumiza watu wengi na kuleta maafa katika sehemu ile. Vile vile hapa pwani, sehemu yetu ambayo ni sehemu nzuri ya Lamu hapa, katika sehemu ya msitu wa Boni, vile vile magaidi wameumiza watu wengi katika ile sehemu, na vile vile katika kaskazini mwa bonde la Ufa ambapo magaidi wameumiza watu wengi wakijizingizia ni wezi wa ng'ombe, ili hali ni magaidi. Those criminals have been pretending to be cattle thieves. They are not cattle thieves, they are terrorists. So sasa tuko katika nafasi nzuri ya kuokoa maisha ya maafisa wetu, kuhakikisha kwamba itakuwa vigumu maafisa wetu kupatikana na adui, na vile vile watakuwa na njia ya kufika haraka katika maeneo ambayo hayafikiki haraka. Na hii inaonyesha kwamba serikali ya Kenya imejitolea kuhakikisha kwamba maafisa wetu wamelindwa na wapewa zana na vifaa ambavyo wanahitaji kujisitiri hao wenyewe wasiumizwe na adui, na vile vile kusaidia kupambana na adui na kuumiza adui kabla ya adui kuwaumiza maafisa wetu ama kuumiza wananchi wa taifa la Kenya. Kwa hivyo kama Mheshimiwa Rais alisema, mambo ni matatu.
Nake mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini Raymond Omolo neugete ni mathi na mbere gukorwo makihariria ukungwira muthi wa Madaraka uria ukahanika mweri wa gatandatu kiharo-ini kia Masinde Muliro guko ni county ya Kakamega. Raymond Omolo aritie uthutha wa gwika uthurimi kiharo-ini kiu kuria augite mbeu njuthi ni megukorwo makihuthika na makiria gikundi kia NYS.
We have had a brief tour of the stadium just to assess the progress. We were here last week and I did mention that there were some small delays in terms of the timelines, and we came back today to just assure ourselves that we have made progress since then. And as you may have noticed, there has been significant progress in terms of the completion of the stadium, particularly the terraces and the main pavilion. And we want to assure the people of Bungoma and the people of Kenya, National Youth Service officers. We now have our colleagues from the Kenya Defence Forces who will also help with the supervision of the last section of the works that are ongoing.
We are ready to host this year's Madaraka Day on 1st of June this year. I know there have been fears that there were delays, but like he has said, we are now ready to go. We have put all systems in place. We are also here with the local leadership. We have gone round and we are satisfied that we shall be ready to have that. So just to reassure the people of Bungoma and the country that you are most welcome to Bungoma, the land of Mulembe, on 1st of June.
Yes, we are internal affairs. Yeah.
Na ripoti iyo niyo igukorwo igitweka mwekega gwikiria ndugathi haraya turacokereria na mangi maingi.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nĩgetha tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra hamwe gũteithia na kũgarũrĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
Uri murimi munini na ni urabatara ngwatanĩro na nyũmba ya mohoro, ihinda nĩ rĩrĩ, amu Muthingi TV nĩ ĩrakũhe mweke wa kwanĩrĩrithia kĩmenyithia nĩguo ũkũrie biacara yaku na njĩra nene. Tũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 07 572 358 kana utwandĩkĩre email nĩyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. Ũka tũtume ndũgũ na tũtirithanie hamwe, amu ndũgũ nĩ makinya.
Aya nitwagicokereria na riu tugithie na mbere ni ati cukuru umwe kuma mwena wa Kakamega Matunguru matigitwo magitetea thutha wa ciana kurega gucokereria thukuru-ini wa St Joseph na Mulungu na kuria ciana ici itetete ni kwaga kwa rä thukuru å yå na oro hamwe na kwaga unyitaniri wa aciari oro hamwe na bodi.
There is no in the school, whereas we know all schools were opened on Monday. Our school shows no sign of opening, and we are wondering our students are supposed to report because the principal has not told us as members of the board when the school will actually open. This is actually an issue for us. We are not taking it lightly because the students in this school belong to this country and they need to be given an opportunity to compete favorably with the others in Kenya as a whole.
Sasa hivi wanafunzi wanakwenda shuleni, wengine walienda juzi, but there's no single student that we have found on this compound. The grass is overgrown, there is vandalism all over, and one really wonders, is this a school that is prepared to open this term? Ama hii ni shule ambayo ilisahaulika miaka 10 iliyopita. We will make a formal petition to the Ministry of Education and the Teachers Service Commission to suspend the principal with immediate effect and carry out investigations on the allegations raised.
Ekwero ere augumania na aria maumite bururi wa Italy ro ni marikite gukinya igoti-ini ria Nairobi Court ni kiria yokaine ni ugumania wa makiria ma milioni 62 kuria kiria ari igoti-ini wakiri wao ni Wendegwa Njiro ni orete igoti kunyihia bodi yao kuona ni onjoria guku bururi-ini na ni makoretwo makioya ikinya hari gukuria uthii wa na mbere wa bururi oroho cira wao ni utanyetwo gwakorwo ugithikiririo hari tariki 22 mweri wa Mei mwaka uyu turi.
Number 2, Your Honor, a pre-trial is or signifies the commence of the proceedings. And we have serious issues with my learned senior, Mr. Olekina, representing the accused persons in this matter. You know, I may be wrong, but my view is that we ought to get directions on our application first, because it's an application for recusal, which is akin to a challenge that has been posed to a judicial officer. So that then we are able to understand whether my learned senior, Mr. Olekina, is capable of receiving the document that is now seeking. Or the documents might be landing on the wrong hands. As we await the 10 minutes break sought by the prosecution, we'll seek directions on our application. What goes first, our application or pre-trial? I am most humble.
Ratifies the notice of motion dated 9th May 2024 and 8th May 2024 respectively as urgent. Both respondents, that is the ODC and Mr. Olekina, to file their respective replies within 2 days from today. Thus, corresponding this given to the applicant in the notice of motion dated 9th May 2024 to file a supplementary affidavit immediately and serve the same within 2 days from the date of such service. The notice of motion dated 9th
Haya imwe kwa imwe rero tukorwo tukigira kuria iharo-ini na kuria ororere bitika cia English Premier League rorete kuhutia karuri timu ya Manchester City ni thiete na mbere na gutongoria ligi ino thutha wao kwanura timu ya Tottenham Hotspur na bao 2-0. Bao ici irafungirwo ni muthaki Erling Haaland na kuria imwe irafungirwo ni kuhitukira mukwajo wa penalty. Oti ĩyo ya mathako nĩyo ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtũtirihĩra gĩkũnjũro gitũ kĩa mohoro mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Ngũcokere ngatho we wagĩtĩkĩra gũtwarana ithuĩ marĩa twambĩrĩirie gĩkũnjũro gĩkĩ. Njokere ngatho arĩa othe twagĩkorwo tũgĩtanĩra nao, arĩa magĩkorwo magĩtũmĩra ndũmĩrĩri ciao kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook ona nginyagia kũrĩa mwena wa YouTube. Njokere ngatho arĩa tũkĩrĩ nao gũkũ mwena wa studio, arĩa magĩtigĩra atĩ mohoro maya maitũ nĩwakorwo ũkĩmamũkĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa ĩbacĩrĩte. Mabirira producer wakwa mũndũ wĩtwo wa Boy wa Jautael no kiuma director wakwa Mzo no kiuma kũrĩa mwena wa graphics magia magũkũ mwena wa camera na mũndũ makũrĩa mwena wa transmission nĩ mũndũ wĩtwo wa Thika na riboti ici cia gĩkũnyitwo cia ũkinyanĩria Facebook na YouTube kũgerera mũndũ wĩtwo Nyagũthiĩ. Thajitikaga wa Irimũ wa Kimani ngakwendithĩria meraho mĩega.